remember what I was saying about 5 years in owning my V60? I was saying something about a noise that my car does while I'm driving and is consistent with the speed. So if the speed increases, that sound will increase with it. And I was thinking about the worst possible scenario, but it wasn't. As you will see in the video today, my problem was actually the wheel bearing, the front left wheel bearing. I guess it was time for it to be changed because it was quite old. But the thing is, I haven't realized that for, I don't know, maybe a year, maybe more, I can't remember. But the thing is, it started like a small noise, but it increased with the time, and I was really hating that sound. And after all that time, today I finally get to change it. Coffee break. So this is the stage we are at right now. We had to struggle a lot, me and my friend, with this kit I bought from eBay, and this is actually the only one that is suiting this car because the whole wheel bearing is from here to there inside, and this comes with it, comes out, is part of it. So we had to struggle with, like I said, this big bolt to go different spots, like there, here, even here, and we're almost there. Just a bit more to get out, take it out, and then is another struggle to push the new one in. But yeah, my camera probably shaking right now because this is not something easy. This is a DIY project, but definitely you cannot do it by yourself. So yeah, this is a DIY project, but by any means this is not something you should do alone. Trust me, I'm struggling right now with a friend. So no, you cannot do this by yourself unless you have all the tools, a lift and stuff like that. But since I'm not Matt Armstrong. No, I cannot do it by myself, and this is in my parking lot, so yeah, one more reason not to do it by myself. I'm gonna have a sneak peek over there, and I'm gonna tell you what happened in another video, but for now we have to get this done. So this is how it looks like after I've beaten it up with this small hammer. It's only 10 pounds. And don't worry about this, this is just a spacer. So everything here will be perfect. So now that everything is done, yeah, as you can see, all I have to do is to screw this all the way. That screw is for that. And then I have to put this back. Once that is done, I'll have to put the caliper back on the wheel, and everything is as new. Coffee break. So yes, after a short test drive, my car doesn't make that sound anymore. So I'm over the moon of happiness. I can't really even express my feeling right now, because it's like I said before, it's been, that sound has been with me in that car for the last, I don't know, maybe over 12 months. And that was right up in here, and it was driving me crazy. And I kept on looking on forums. I kept on asking around left, right for people. Maybe someone can help me with that. But finally, I found out that it was this wheel bearing, right? And after I changed it, and as I said before, after a short test drive, my car doesn't make that noise anymore. So I'm over the moon with it. Again, like, I can't express my happiness right now. It's just, I'm speechless. If you enjoyed it, if you have any questions about it, please let me know. I know I couldn't record everything, like all the steps and everything, but to be honest, I was trying with my friend. I was trying to get this thing done as a DIY project, on a low budget as well. So yeah, I had to spend money on the wheel bearing itself, which was, I don't know if I remember correctly, it was like 30 something, maybe 40 pounds, British pounds that is. And I had to spend 40 something more pounds on that kit that I showed you in the video, because nothing else that was less expensive worked. That those grips and all the kits you see on the market, on Amazon, on eBay, whatever you're looking for them, they are for other types of wheel bearings. But my one has that wheel bearing with that plaque. I think, I'm not sure if that's the correct word to use, but that round metal part where you can fit your wheel. And because of that, you cannot use those like 3 finger grip kit you can use on other cars, just to pull out only the bearing itself. The wheel bearing on this car is made with, like I said, that big part, like is a full unit, right? And yeah, it's crazy. But eventually we've done it. As I said before, I'm gonna repeat this, because if you decide to do such a thing as a DIY, right, you need at least that, a big hammer. Mine is 10 pounds, but yeah, whatever. You need that, and you definitely need someone else to help you. You cannot do this by yourself. Trust me, I tried. So yeah, it's not a quick job. When it comes to cars, yeah, you have to expect more time to be consumed than you probably think of. But if you have someone with you for this job, will be good. So that being said, again, thank you very much for watching. Again, if you have any questions, you have I don't know, suggestions, yeah, I'll receive them with gladly. Leave them in the comments, and see you in my next one. Bye.